In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Launch Control XL alongside Circuit. The first template is a mixer template. The first two channels are Synth 1 and 2. The next four channels are drum parts 1, 2, 3 and 4. The top row of rotaries control reverb send, and the next row control delay send. There's a high-pass, low-pass filter resonance control and a high-pass, low-pass filter frequency control. You have momentary mutes, which when pressed can activate or deactivate the channel. And you can unmute by pressing the lower row. Pressing and holding user and selecting the second template, you have macro control. The top row of rotaries control Synth 1's macros. And the next row controls Synth 2's macros. Again, you have filter controls. And you have level controls once more on the faders. If I press and hold user and select a third template, I access Synth 1 edit template. For oscillator 1, you have pulse width index, virtual sync depth, density, density detune, wave type, pitch in cents or in semitones, and you have the same controls for oscillator 2. There's portamento rate on this rotary, filter type, drive type, tracking, envelope 2 to frequency control, drive, resonance and frequency. ADSR controls are set to the first four faders for envelope 1, and you also have ring mod, noise, oscillator 1 level and oscillator 2 level. This section of 10 buttons allow you to play the synth notes. You can play them polyphonically, mono AG, or mono, and in filter routing you have a norm mode, or you can bypass oscillator 1 or 1 and 2. Accessing template 4 is exactly the same template for the previous template, but for Synth 2. Template 5 is the drum template. You can play each drum part with these buttons, individually adjust the level of each sample, Change the pitch of each sample. Control your reverb sends of each sample. Or your delay sends. You can adjust the low or high EQ. And with these 4 controls, you can quickly cycle through different drum patches per sample, which is really handy. Add distortion independently here. And adjust the decay length. So there you have it, controlling circuit with the Launch Control XL. Thanks for watching.